we're here at the Hamptons at Pine Bend in Mobile, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and everything else Mobile has to offer. This community features some amazing amenities such as a swimming pool, a fitness center, and a clubhouse. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath townhome. Let's go take a look.
Outside of every unit, there's a patio or a balcony. Right when you enter, you'll find the spacious living room, a convenient coat closet, and a half bathroom perfect for guests. Off of the living space, there's the dining room, the fully equipped kitchen with a pantry, and a laundry room with washer and dryer hookups. Upstairs, you'll find a full bathroom perfectly placed between the 2 bedrooms. Each bedroom has a large closet, and the primary bedroom features a vanity area with a sink. This community has a modern fitness center with a Peloton and an Echelon mirror. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find a seating area and a business center. Outside, you'll find 3 swimming pools and a multi-sport court. Click the link below to book your tour today.